Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to translate a whole document in Google Docs. To do that, it's really simple. You have just to go to Google Docs, and after that, you can see, I have the document that I want to translate. Go to Tools, and after that go to Translate Document. Click on it. After that, choose the new document title and choose the language that you want to use it for translation. For example, I will choose Spanish. Let's find the Spanish language, Spanish, and click on Translate. And in just few seconds, as you can see, this is your document translated. So Google Docs translated all the document. And that's it. But you should know that the old document and the new documents are totally separated. So for example, if you type more text on the first document, that text will not be added to the translated document in Spanish. It will only do the translation for all the text and the informations that are included in the first version of the document that you translated. If you add something after, you have to translate the document again, all of it, with the same steps. Or you can just take that part, translate it, and add it to the second document. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.